Now we're going to look at our limiting reagents, the full thing. So this is very similar to reacting masses until we get to the moles section. So for question 1 here, we have calcium oxide plus water makes calcium hydroxide. We're then told what mass of calcium hydroxide would be formed when we have 10 grams of calcium oxide and 10 grams of water. We now need to work out the MR for our calcium oxide. We've got 1 lot of calcium, so that's got a relative atomic mass of 40, and 1 oxygen, which has a relative atomic mass of 16. So together, I'm going to just rub that out. We're going to do 40 plus 16, and that gives us an MR, or a relative formula mass, of 56. For the same with our waters, if we have 2 lots of hydrogen, which has an atomic mass of 1, plus 1 lot of oxygen, which is 16. We add those all together, and we get an MR of 18. I'm then going to divide these and work out what my moles are. So here for calcium oxide, I've got 10 divided by 56, which gives me a moles of 0.179. And for my water, I've got 10 divided by 18, which gives me a mole of 0.5 recurring, so that would be 5, 6 on the end. So now when I look at these, I now need to look at my big numbers. There are no big numbers for this one, so this is a 1-to-1-to-1 ratio. And I need to work out which one is my limiting and which one is my excess. So here, which of these numbers is the smallest, as it's a 1-to-1 ratio? It's this one. So this is my limiting and this is my excess reactant. So then what I have is what's actually reacting. So this whole 0.179 of my calcium oxide is reacting, but that's only going to react with 0.179 of my water, which means I am going to make 0.179 moles of my calcium hydroxide. What I'm then needing to do is work out what my MR of my calcium hydroxide is. That's 40 for the calcium, because there's only 1. There's 2 oxygens, so I'm going to do 2 times 16, and 2 hydrogens, which is 2 times 1. And when I put that all into my calculator, I get an MR for that of 74. I'm then going to times those numbers together. And when I do that, I get a mass number of 13.25 grams. I want my answer to be to 3 significant figures. So for this, my calculator says that, and then to 3 significant figures, I need to get rid of those 2 numbers. I'm just going to get rid of that because it's gone a bit dirty and hard to see. So it's going to be 13.2 and then grams on the end.